Hello everybody, today I'll show you how to make chicken momo. This is chicken dumpling made out of chicken, some vegetable and lots of spices. You can choose your spices based on your taste and preferences. This is a very simple and delicious chicken momo recipe. For this recipe I'm using ground chicken, scallions, ginger and garlic, butter, cilantro and 1 onion. Thinly sliced spring onions. You can also finely chop these scallions. Transfer these chopped scallions into a large bowl. Finely chop an onion. You are going to need only half an onion for this recipe. Transfer the chopped onion into the large bowl. Finely chop cilantro. Transfer the chopped cilantro in the large bowl. I'm using 1.5 pounds of ground chicken. One and a half tablespoons of chopped ginger and garlic. 1.5 tablespoons of melted butter. 2 teaspoons of salt. 2 to 3 teaspoons of cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of chili pepper powder. 1.5 teaspoons of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And 1/3 cup of warm water. Combine all the ingredients. You can use a spatula or you can use hand to mix all the ingredients. Once all the ingredients are mixed, let the meat rest. I'm using simple dough to make wrap for this chicken dumpling. Take a piece of dough and divide it into small portions. Take one piece of portion dough and start rolling out. This is going to be the wrap for our dumpling. You can also use store-bought wraps to make momos. I'm using oil to roll out the dough. You can also use flour. Take one dumpling wrap and take about 1 tablespoon of stuffing. Start wrapping your dumpling. So this is a step over style of dumpling. Pull it with your index finger and press it against your thumb. And repeat the process. No matter what shape or size of dumpling you made, but make sure stuffing is not exposed. Wrap the remaining dumplings. Take your steamer and add about 2 to 3 inches of water and bring it to a boil. Grease the steamer with oil. You can also use oil spray for this, or you can also use a sheet of parchment paper. Start arranging momos. Make sure momos are not touching each other and there's a little gap in between. Water is boiling and now it's ready to steam the momos. Steam the momos for 8 minutes. Momo is cooked and it's ready to be served. You can serve momo as a bite-sized appetizer with the sauce on the top. I'm serving it with sweet chili garlic sauce. serve it as a plated appetizer. You can also serve it as a dinner with 6 to 8 pieces with the sauce of your choice. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.